Hello everyone, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! There are only a few days left until the end of the year. For many of us, this was not the easiest period of time, and we are all looking forward to the new year 2021 to replace it. And today it is a great pleasure for me to congratulate you with such a bright holiday, Christmas. May Christmas Eve bring you peace, and the holiday will be full of joy and happiness. I wish your families be happy, and I hope that the festive table will be full of treats. And in honor of this wonderful holiday, we are announcing a special sale on all our video courses, 40% off. The promotion will last until 10th of January. Don't miss the chance to take advantage of our special congratulation and begin the new year with new knowledge. No one should be alone on this holiday, therefore, let those who appreciate and love you be by your side today. Christmas is a holiday that brings happiness to every home, to every family. May all your dreams come true on this day, and luck and success will be your best friend all year long. Me personally and my team of Global Fashion Workshop wish you many interesting events this year. Be happy, give your family your beauty and love. Don't forget to congratulate your loved ones on this kind and bright holiday. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you, our dearest subscribers!